This is a Red River Mud Monster YouTube channel, and we're at the Ponce de Leon Inlet Park. And today I'm going to go for a hike in the park and try a little fishing on the jetty. So come along with and join us on this fishing adventure and sightseeing adventure. Okay, I just recently got hung up, broke my line, and I'm going to switch baits. I put a shrimp fish bite on with a Carolina rig. This doesn't work, I'm going home. Got hung up there a little bit. Parasailer. Holy cow. This guy over there has got a fish on.
An hour. Catching anything?
Somebody else here has got a big fish on.
Oh geez, really?
Yeah, they were casting out deep, it looked like. So I switched over to fish bites, shrimp fish bites, and a Carolina rig. I cast shallow, I haven't got any bites, but this guy was out deep, so I might reel in and cast out deep and sit for a little bit. I got to see this fish being caught. He's been fighting it for 10 minutes.
Well, now I'm curious. Now I kind of want to go outside and watch. Shoot.
I'll go with you.
Oh, my neighbor here got a fish right now. Oh, you got a really nice black drum.
Nice.
I think he's catching them on crab.
Okay, I'm gonna come out now.
I gotta watch this fish being caught here. I don't have the bait.
I don't think so.
So
okay, I'll be out in 2 seconds.
Okay.
Okay, bye.
Okay, bye. Oh, there's. That thing must be a monster. Black drum?
Yeah, either that or a stingray.
Oh yeah. I saw it flap its tail out there, further out.
Oh, it might not be a stingray.
Oh yeah. Are you fishing mainly shallow?
Huh?
You're fishing mainly shallow?
Yeah.
Yeah.
The water running from the
Yeah, it is. It's pulling hard. Oh, you got another one. You're just killing them over there. Hello?
And how you heard your ringer? Because we didn't make it.
You didn't what? You didn't make it?
We didn't make it to where you are.
You have to go on the sand and then you go to another boardwalk and it takes you to the jetty.
We know how to get there. It's just, it's so cold and windy. How are you still there?
It's nice and warm where I'm at. The jetty.
Well, I'm not struggling through that jetty. I gave up.
Okay, you want to go? Okay.
I don't think any of us are going to argue.
Yeah.
What did that guy catch?
Oh, he hasn't caught it yet. It's big.
Aye.
So, I'll pull up and I'll go.
Okay.
I don't think I have the right rig.
Probably not. Also, you don't want to get hung up on all that rock.
Yeah.
Oof. Okay.
Okay.
See you in a second.
Okay.
Bye.
Okay, that's it for me. I just spotted an alligator. Maybe it'll surface again. It was a big one. I think it's over there. Is that it right there, you think? That dark spot? It looked pretty long, yeah, sticking his nose out. Well, I gotta go. I'm on my way back. So this is the boardwalk on the back, way back to the parking lot. It's been a good day. Because that's where the trail led me.
Oh, you came back on the boardwalk?
Yeah. I think this guy is still fighting that fish.